checking how many solutions a system has without graphing. Okay? Again, the process is without graphing. So we're going to use logic. Okay? Problem number 1. 3y minus x equals negative 2. Y minus 1/3 x equals 2. Step 1. I'm going to work with the first equation. What are you supposed to do with the first equation? Isolate the y. Okay, to isolate the y, we're going to cancel the x. So 3y equals x minus 2. Next, I'm going to cancel the 3, dividing everything by 3. And y equals 1/3 x minus 2 over 3. Immediately we realize that the slope is 1/3 and the y-intercept is negative 2 over 3. That is the important information for the first equation. I'm going to do the same thing for the second equation. I'm going to isolate the y. To isolate the y, we cancel the x. Y equals 1 over 3 x plus 2. My equation is in y equals mx plus b. Find the slope, 1/3, and the b is 2. Now I'm going to compare the information of the first equation to the information of the second equation. Look, the slope for the first equation is 1/3. The slope for the second equation is also 1/3. But the y-intercepts are different. Conclusion, my lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, the system has no solution. Okay? Great. Problem number 2. My system, 2x minus 8y equals 6, x minus 4y equals 3. Again, we're going to do the same process. We're going to isolate the y for the first equation, and we're going to isolate the y for the second equation. First equation, 2x minus 8y equals 6. Remember, we have to rewrite it in y equals mx plus b. Negative 8y equals negative 2x plus 6. Divide everything by negative 8. Simplify as much as possible. Y equals negative over negative, it cancels out. So 1 over 4x minus, and here both of them are divisible by 2. So 3 over 4. Slope, 1/4. Y-intercept, negative 3 over 4. Okay, that is the important information of equation 1. Equation 2, x minus 4y equals 3. Again, we're going to isolate the y. Negative 4y equals negative x plus 3. Divide everything by negative 4. And simplify as much as possible. Y equals negative over negative is positive 1/4 x minus 3 over 4. Slope, 1/4. Y-intercept, negative 3 over 4. Compare the information, and we have the same slope and the same y-intercept. That only happens if and only if you're working with the same line. Because we're working with the same line, we can classify the system as an IMS system. We have infinitely many solutions. And that's it.